Hello everyone, welcome to find the value of x. For this exponential problem, 2 power x plus 3 is equal to 3 power x plus 1. So let's come to the solution. As from an algebraic identity, if we have a power, let m plus n, this we can write as a power m multiplied by a power n. Or we can say that when the bases are same and multiplying each other, then their power will be added. So using this property here, this will become 2 power x multiplied by 2 power 3, 2 cube is equal to same property we will apply here, 3 power x multiplied by 3 power 1. So now dividing both sides by 3 power x into 2 cube. Now at the left hand side, 2 cube from numerator and 2 cube from denominator cancel out each other. We will left with 2 power x divided by 3 power x is equal to, at the right hand side, 3 power x from numerator and 3 power x from denominator cancel out each other. We will left with 3 divided by 2 cube, means multiplying 2 3 times we get 8. So this will become 3 divided by 8. Now we can write this exponent as a whole. 2 divided by 3 whole power x is equal to 3 divided by 8. As we are interested to find out the value of x. So now taking log on both sides. Here log of 2 divided by 3 whole power x is equal to log of 3 divided by 8. Now by using a logarithmic property, that if we have log of a to the power b, then this is equal to b log of a. Using this property here, so this will become log of a to the power b, this is equal to b log of a. So x log of 2 divided by 3, this is equal to log of 3 divided by 8. Another logarithmic property, that if we have log of a divided by b, this is equal to log of a minus log of b. So using this property, the above equation will become as x log of 2 divided by 3, this will be equal to log of 2 minus log of 3 by using this property is equal to, at the right hand side, this will become log of 3 minus log of 8. Now dividing both sides by log 2 minus log 3. This will become this log 2 minus log t from denominator and from numerator cancel out each other. We will left with x is equal to log of 3 minus log of 8 divided by log of 2 minus log of 3. As log of 3 is nearly equal to 0.47, log of 8, sorry, log of 3, and log of 8 is nearly equal to 0.90, and log of 2 is nearly equal to 0.30. Using these values in above equation, so this will become x is equal to log of 3, it means 0.47 minus log of 8, 0.90 divided by log of 2, 0.30 minus log of 3, which is 0.47. So now this x will become 0.47 minus 0.90, this is minus 0.426, divide by 0.30 minus 0.47, we get minus 0.176. So dividing these numbers, we get x is equal to 2.42. This is the approximate value of x. Now let's verify that whether this value of x satisfy the given question or not. Using the value of x here, this will become 2 power x plus 3. X is 2.42 plus 3. This, whether this is equal or not equal to 3 power x plus 1 means 2.42 plus 1. So now 2 power 2.42 plus 3, this is 5.42, and at the right hand side this will become 2.42 plus 1, this is 3.42. Now this will become 42.8 is equal to, this will become 42.8. So left hand side is equal to right hand side. Hence the value of x, which is 2.42, satisfy the given question. Thank you for watching. If you have not subscribed our channel, please subscribe this.